Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making avocado salad, and here are the ingredients we are using. I've prepped all the ingredients. I have here some avocado which I've already chopped, some chopped cucumber, fresh tomatoes, lettuce which I also chopped with my fingers. I did not cut it with knife. I have some boiled eggs, pepper flakes, salt, some black pepper, and salad cream. I have here a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of lemon juice, some black pepper, just a pinch of black pepper, and a little salt. Now let's gather all of them together. I sprinkled some lemon on this to avoid discoloration, and I'll go ahead and add into my mixing bowl. Add it some cucumber, some of the leaves, I'll start again and top it. I want to spread it very well. I'll add it a little of the pepper. I don't want it too pepperish. Some of the black pepper, a little salt, and then I also sprinkle it with the salad cream. Mix it together. place some eggs. Two more baby. And here you have it. The avocado egg salad is ready. I hope you enjoy this and give it a try. Thank you all for watching. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again, take care. Love you. Bye bye.